Hi guys, welcome to Patterns Decoder channel. In this video, I am going to show you about token review on Injective Protocol. Okay, let us have the two things. One is fundamental thinking, and the second thing is technical analysis. What we are going to do. Okay, what is fundamental things? What is Injective Protocol, and what are the core features? How the token supply distribution has been distributed, and what are the use cases? These are very important. And what is the roadmap of Injective Protocol, and what are their partnerships and listings also. Okay, what is Injective Protocol? Injective Protocol is a universal decentralized finance protocol. Nowadays everybody is listening that DeFi is going on, every so many things, Uniswap, Compound, Maker, DAO, and these are things that this is far better than everything according to me, because it is like an exchange which supports the perpetual swaps, futures and spot trading. And first of all, while investing in anything, we have to see what is the circulating supply, how much percentage of supply is circulating in the overall token supply. Here for this Injective protocol, which is listed in Binance very recently and WazrixWarriors also, you can see the circulating supply is like 15 million, and the total token supply is 100 million. That means only 15% of the total supply is circulating in the market, and launchpad price is $0.4 per INJ. Okay, and launchpad allocation 9% is has been allocated during the Binance launchpad. Okay, next thing is, what are the core features of Injective protocol? It is nothing but a next generation DeFi applications. You can't imagine how much fast it will be there. There are so much lagging will be there. This all these things, there are some negative impacts will be there, that something will come up and take over those negative impacts. That is one thing I feel like Injective chain protocol. Okay, and what is the, it is unlocking a permissionless era. There are nowadays so many centralized exchanges is going on, like they have restricted things, and this fully decent, there are so many decentralized exchanges, but that is not fully decentralized. It is the first fully decentralized exchange. Okay, that Injective future protocol, and it is a new model for exchange as a public utility, and it is governance, it is a community owned and driven. How is the supply distribution for Injective token? If you see in this graph how the percentage has been distributed over this Binance launchpad, seed sale, private sale, and how much team has been allocated, advisors and ecosystem development and community growth. This type of like percentages or ratio should be allocated whenever the company has to go. They has to predefine the targets, and entire community has to be supported well. If at all they have done at a time and the entire total supply, they cannot run the company and they cannot grow it. So there are certain parameters and certain algorithm for the growth of the company, so that they have to plan in such a way that, if you see this release schedule from October 2022, it has been released in the Binance launchpad, and October 2022 for the next 3 years, this type of like automatic distributions is allocated for that, so that at a time we cannot get the entire total supply. That means the price will go on increasing in a predefined manner, and it cannot get dumped at a time. So that, because if at all at a supply has been given that and there is no demand, and the price will go down, and the supply is very consistently growing and there is certain demand will be there, the price will go up. This is the basic parameter of economics. So if you see here, Binance launchpad has been taken the 9%, and the remaining slowly this ecosystem development and community growth in the blue color lines, both the things is slowly is increasing the step by step private seeding and seed sale also. That means if you see the roadmap, you can understand the things how it is slowly increasing, why it has been allocated for the next 4 years. Okay, and the next thing is, what is the use case? The use case is very important for any token or any product or anything. So what are the use cases for Injective token protocol? It is like protocol governance and exchange fees value capture and derivative collateralization of derivatives and liquidity mailing, which is very important, and stacking also supports it. So what is that protocol governance? It is used for governing various components of Injective sidechain protocols and exchange parameters like DAO structure and exchange fee value capture. Once the exchange value fees reward distribution has done, it will undergo on-chain buyback and burn event to wake the value of INJ. And what is proof of stake? A tendermint proof of stake. This is a special thing here. I observed that to ensure the security of Injective sidechain, it is incentivizing the nodes to stake INJ. There like incentives has been given for the nodes for staking the INJ, and participation in the sidechain networks with block rewards. And collateral blocking for derivatives is very important, and ING is used as an alternative for stable coins for margin and collateral for injective derivatives markets. In some future markets also it can be used as a backing and insurance pool stacking, where they can earn interest on their locked tokens. That is a very crucial thing that makes much more interest on these injective token protocol. And exchange participation internship, the foundation plans for incorporated liquidity mining scheme distributes a certain fixed number of injective daily weighted by liquidity each network participant providers. And if you see the roadmap, so this is the quarter 4 of 2020. They have released the public testnet 1 version 1, and what are the launch of institute testnet trading competition and ERC20 token. And the next year, if you see that, they will go for the testnet 2 and release of staking competition and Ethereum bridge also. It runs on Ethereum version 2. And the 2021 quarter 2, the launch of mainnet, now it is going on testnet. The mainnet will go on 2021 quarter 2. That means the implementation between the blockchains, multiple blockchains will go on, and adding the liquidity mining and staking incentives and swapping of tokens from ERC20 to native chain. All these exchanges has to go all these parameters step by process. And what comes to the real thing is 2021 quarter 3, the launch of perpetual swaps and futures expiry. This is the main key point, when they are going to launch the perpetual swaps and cross-chain yield generation also. And the quarter 4, in the end of 2021, they are going for the governance and governance listing and market creation and launch of staking pools and insurance funds. By 2022 whatever, that means that January or February, like March, by end of March, the first quarter of 2022, the launch of institutional exchange interface. Just think about it. We are calling about like next 12 to 15, the bull run is going to bull run is going on, and they are going to for the entire DeFi. So that means centralized, the DeFi will take over the CeFi, and everybody will thinking that this makes that slowly the CeFi things is going for the DeFi. That makes me very positive on this type of token. And we have to see what are the backups. So the partnerships and listening is very important. First of all, we have to check where it is listed. The liquidity is very crucial, plays a crucial role in anything, whether it has been listed in the top exchange or not. And ING protocol is listed in Binance, and Binance is supporting it, and Panethera and QCP Capital for the finance, and Bitling Capital and StartX and CMS and Hash. These are all the partnerships and listings. So we have to see what is the backup bone, who are supporting it. So that makes me positive thinking on Injective Protocol. Let us have a see the website. What is Injective? They have the website here. So Injective Protocol, fast, secure and fully decentralized trading. And if you see that, limited trading on the first fully decentralized exchange, fully decentralized sidechain layer with a layer 2 platforms. Okay, and we have to see here what zero gas features. It has a unique layer to structure, like able to avoid network congestion and high gas features. This zero gas features can enable anyone to trade freely without have to worry about high network gases, which is going on in the Ethereum. And you can trade anything and create it and trade any derivative markets of your choosing, and we can earn yield community one. We have to see this one more thing here. It is important here is API protocols and what are the documents. You can see, if you go through it, what is the architecture is very important. See here how it is going on, the five pro principle. The technical guys can understand, just go through it. You can understand how the token economics, how the matching orders, take orders, entire thing is clearly explained here. You can go through it and understand the things. And one more thing, what are the who are the people here which is going in the company. Okay, who is the running background of this? We can see the company and the team, who are the people. Eric Gissen, you can go through it. Whether we have to check whenever you are investing, we have to see whether there is a team or not. There is a developers team, there is a team going on. We have to check all the things. All I have seen this LinkedIn, the profiles, and the okay, that is a genuine one, a legit one. This makes me feel that this is overall the fundamental token view of Injective Protocol. Let me this Injective Protocol is listing on the India's best exchange, WazrixWarriors, and from tomorrow, that means 23rd November. So you can go to the website, and for the buying and selling Injective Protocol tomorrow, after it is not yet listed now, you can see whether it is in USDT. Mostly it will be USDT pairing, and BTC pairing also will occur. So you can go to the USDT pairing, and if you search here ING, you will get it tomorrow. and you can buy it if at all you want for the long term perspective, not for the short term perspective. If you want to buy as per the technical analysis, if you want for the long term scenario, you can buy it Injective Protocol INJ. If you type it, and you can buy it and you can sell the same in the WazrixWarriors exchange. It is and the giveaway is going on with the ING giveaway with AMA with Eric Chen and quiz time also. You can have a look over it, the blog.wazrix.com. What are the things is going on in the WazrX. See, it is mentioned here. It's just loading. There are different types of like quiz time. You can get the rewards also for they participating in the quiz time. You can see deposits, tradings, and withdrawals. All will be like you can go through it. Giveaway schedule is there, and Monday, Tuesday, 24th November. Have a look over it, and then we'll get back for the next thing. Have a glance of what technical analysis is showing to me. Generally, for the technical analysis, we have the past data in order to predict the future data. For the coins like very new listings, we cannot predict the exact scenario what it will go on. So just we have to say it can go on, like suppose it is in $1, it can go for $10 and $50 also. I don't know exactly because we don't have the previous data. For technical analysis, just we have to see the past data so that we can predict the future data. For that, at this kind of things, we can't imagine where it will go, but we can see a similar kind of things. Let me have a glance of it, what stock RSI and MACD is showing at present scenario in the short term time frame. If you see the stock RSI, it's showing in the downward momentum. That means we should not enter at this position at this point of time till this crosses. This is the daily chart, okay? Till this blue line crosses the red line and the positive momentum took place, we could not enter it in the shorter time frame. And the longer time frame, we have to see that this is the resistance is going on. A huge resistance is there here. Let us take the top to bottom, okay? If you observe here, top to bottom 1.61 like 6825, okay, 1.6962, okay, this is the thing. So here we have to see that where the resistance is 0.786 on at present it is in downward momentum. I don't suggest anyone to take trade at this point of time unless until it breaks this 1.6962. just there is very small difference, this percentage. For the bullish scenario and the alt season has to come, that means it will go beyond this, then only we can enter it. And you have to check the what are the next targets. You can consider it as 1.69 and 2.618 and $6 also in like one case. And the another scenario is like if it is very bullish and is very going on, what are the targets we can see is like 1.6 at $10, $16, $23 and $27. There are the different scenarios, but until unless it broken this range zone, I don't suggest anybody to enter into the market till it goes for the accumulation for some days and some weeks. Then we can see the pattern, how the pattern behaves and how it can go on. Stay tuned to the market and see how the patterns behave, how the accumulation is going on. Then you can think of what to do in the next thing scenario. I think you like my video. If at all you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram channel. Follow my Twitter account Patternsdecoder and join my Telegram channel. And I'm not a financial advisor, and the videos in my channel is not a financial advice. I request you to do your own due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency exchange, ICO, IVO. I don't take any responsibility for profit or loss, and I will not be liable in any case. Invest only the amount which you afford to lose, as crypto is very high volatility, high risky. Thank you everyone.